Hey, excuse me.
Yes, hi there.
Is seat taken?
No, sit down.
Thank you. Appreciate.
No problem. Welcome.
Busy cafe today.
Yes, always busy.
Are you student?
Yes, I am.
Which university you?
City University, nearby.
Oh, very good.
Yes, I love it.
What do you study?
Computer science, second year.
Interesting subject. Wow.
Yes, love coding.
Are you studying now?
Yes, exam tomorrow.
Oh, good luck.
Thank you. Need it.
What exam is?
Mathematics, very hard.
Math is tough.
Yes, very tough.
You prepared well?
Mostly, yes, hopefully.
You will pass.
Ha! Thank you.
Are you first year?
No, second year.
Halfway done then.
Yes, 2 more years.
Goes fast. Trust.
I hope so.
Are you from here?
No, from Manchester.
Long way. Wow.
Yes, moved here September.
Like it here?
Yes, great city.
Many students here.
Yes, very lively.
Are you in dorm?
Yes, on campus.
Convenient. Very good.
Yes, walk to class.
Perfect student life.
Yes, I love it.
Do you work too?
Part-time, weekends.
Where do you?
Coffee shop nearby.
Ha, coffee lover.
Free coffee perk.
Best job ever.
Yes, exactly.
Are you enjoying university?
Yes, mostly enjoying.
Hard work though.
Yes, very demanding.
Worth it though.
Yes, absolutely worth it.
What do you drink?
Just green tea.
Healthy choice. Good.
Helps me focus.
Good steady tip.
Yes, works for me.
Are you here often?
Yes, every day.
Me too. Always.
Really? Never noticed.
Different times maybe?
Yes, probably true.
What time usually?
Morning, 8 o'clock.
I come afternoons.
Ah, that explains it.
Are you meeting friends?
No, studying alone.
Focus better alone.
Yes, no distractions.
Smart approach. Good.
Works well for me.
Do you have friends?
Yes, classmates mostly.
Good university friendships.
Yes, very supportive group.
That is important.
Makes university easier.
Are you happy here?
Yes, very happy.
Good to hear.
Best decision ever.
Studying abroad. Brave.
Not abroad, England.
Still brave.
Huh, true, actually.
What after university?
Software developer, hopefully.
Great career choice.
Yes, good prospects.
Tech is booming.
Yes, always jobs available.
Are you good coder?
Getting better daily.
Practice makes perfect.
Yes, every single day.
I am impressed.
Thank you. Very kind.
Keep working hard.
I will. Promise.
You will succeed.
Thank you. Means lot.
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet. Rob.
Good to meet.
You too, Alex.
Are you studying long?
2 more hours.
Good luck, Rob.
Thank you, Alex.
Pass that exam.
I will try.
You will pass.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow?
Yes, same cafe.
Same table, yes.
Yes, deal.
Good luck tonight.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye. Study hard.
Goodbye. Take care.